Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's readings for Zodiac Leo. What is happening to them? What is going to happen um in in July 2020 for my dear Leo? Okay, now I'm going to its reading. Okay, my dear Leo, with your first card, 10 of Swords upside down. I think this is for that maybe some disaster has happened to you in the past, and now you are free of them, or maybe you are going to defeat someone, or maybe you are going to deceive someone, steal something from them, want to do something bad to them, and this is not going to happen over here. Or maybe somebody had deceived you and tell you the lie or backstab you. Now this is over now. With this Ace of Cups upside down, there is no more love in this situation. Nobody loves you, or you are not anymore in love with any person, the person that deceived you. Okay, the person that is the liar, you have no love for them. Okay, or maybe you have done something bad to somebody and they have no love for you now, and this situation is ending over here with this Death card. Something is ending over here and something new is going to begin or happen over here. Maybe they are close you, they close their heart from you, or maybe you close your heart for them. I think here you have done something bad to that person and they had closed their heart towards you. Okay, and this is the vice versa reading. Take as resonate you. Okay, and with this King of Swords, I think you are the most clever, very wise, very clever, very keen person over here, and you decide to cut someone from your life, or maybe you have betrayed someone, done something bad to someone, or you make yourself isolated towards someone. Don't show them that what you have in your mind for them. Yes, there is two situation over here. One is that you are the person who are defeating someone else, or who is telling the lie, or maybe someone else is telling you the lie. In this situation, I think you are closing your heart, your mind from that person towards that person who is telling you the lie, who is not the good person. Okay, and with this Moon card upside down, this is for that something is going to come over to the surface. You are going to see something, the clarity, some truth is revealing towards you, or you are going to reveal the truth towards that person. There are two situations over here, and one is that somebody reveal their truth to you, or you are going to reveal your truth to them. Okay, Knight of Wands, Knight of Wands upside down. I think this is for okay, with this card upside down or reverse, you are afraid to take step forward. You are afraid to move forward. Okay, you are stuck over here. You think if you go forward, maybe someone had done that thing that happened to you in your past. Someone had betrayed you, backstab you, they had tell you the lie, or done you some disaster. You are not want to take any, or not going to take any step forward. Okay, or maybe this is also the card for making the bad decision, the not the good decision, the bad decision. Okay, and this card facing that devil, that means that Maybe you are afraid of that devil person that are not good for you, that deceive you or backstab you. You are afraid of that person, and this is really, this is not a good person over here, because they have the mask over their face, and they have done something bad to you, but they are going to reveal their mask over here, but they are still that person, that masked person. Only they are telling you the half of the truth, or a little bit of that truth, and the whole truth are hidden also. Okay. And maybe they are they chained you, they restricted you to move forward. Okay. And maybe you are addicted to something, maybe addicted to that person, you love them, they are very cruel person. If you don't make them happy, if you don't obey them, they are going to punish you. You can see, can you see that there is that some kind of weapon over in his hand, and they are very scary, they are very scary, they are very fearful. I think that you are also afraid of them, because you know that what they could do if they want to do something bad to you. With this page of swords, okay, this person is a childlike person, not thinking very well, and not a mature person, and they are very brave, and they are going to make some decision, they are going to take some step. They are very brave, they are not thinking of anything, and they want to do what they want to do. They are a liar, and maybe this is that person, that devil person, and they want to do something to you. They are making their mind, and there's you going to see something in this moonlight. You are going to reveal something about them. Yes, this is a dangerous thing, or not good for you. This is a sad news for you. That's why the moon is crying with this blood tears. Can you see, there is the droplets over there, and something is hidden over here. They are not telling you something. They are telling you the little bit of the truth, but all of the truth is hidden over here in this box. Okay. Maybe they want to steal something from you, your money, your wealth, your property, something. And with this card, I think you have the desire toward them. I want to clarify this card. Okay, with these cards you have no desire to have them in your life. You don't think that they are your soulmate or they are your life partner anymore. You don't think that. And with that 5 of wands upside down, you don't want to fight with them. They all fights, all calls, all conversations are ending over here. You don't even want to talk to them. Okay. Now you are going to heal your hurt, and you don't and you are making your hurt very isolated, very stuck. You don't want to talk to them, you don't want to see them, don't want to share anything with them. Okay, these are your desires towards them. You don't want to talk to them. Okay. And with this 5 of cups, you are weeping over that situation, that they had backstabbed you, they had done something bad to you, they had lied to you, and that's why you are weeping over that they had done what they had do to me. I don't deserve these things. Yes. And for the other situation, the person you had backstab, they are weeping over these situations, that why are you telling them the lie, why are you backstab them, that things. I think there is some kind of a third party situation over here, or maybe some money situation. Okay, and with this you deserve love. This is upside down, and this is the situation that the for the part number 2, or the situation number 2, that the person you are, this is this is for them, those who watching the reading, and they are backstabbing someone. Okay, not for them that they had backstab. Okay, this is for them, those who backstab other person. Okay, and you don't deserve any love. You are not lovable, and that why the universe, okay, this card means one more situation over here, that maybe you have done something bad to them, and that's why the universe are punishing you. That's why they are not with you, they are not happy with you, they want to leave you, and the universe is telling you that you don't deserve any love over here. You are the bad person. You don't deserve any love. You don't deserve any happiness, any goodness. With this past life relationship, what is this, you have known each other before, and I think that this is for those, the situation number 1, that had backstabbed by someone, and you definitely don't know that person. You don't know their mind, their thoughts, and that's why you had backstabbed by them. Yes, they are not good person. You don't know that, and that's why this happened to you. With this, it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. They are telling you that you can move towards some other position. They are good for you, and yes, you can move towards any other position, and express your love to someone else, or maybe you have to express your love, the situation number 2, those who had backstabbed someone, and they have to express their love. You have to apologize them. You have to tell them that you love them if you want them back in your life. And for those who was injured by the other person, who was defeated, or heartbroken by some other person, for them, fairy of the divine hand, intoxication, distorted view, overindulgence. Okay, and this is for yes, those who still want that person, where you know that they are not good for you. The universe is telling you that this person is not good. Number 2 is for moon card, is the moon card, and number 2 is for your emotions, and their emotions are not good towards you. They are a toxic person. They don't look you as their soulmate, as their life partner, and you are overindulged to them. You are overindulged to them. You want them, and they don't want you. They are not faithful to you. Okay, and if you still want that person, this is your own mistake. That person is not good. And for others, you have to tell them, or the other person, that you love them and that they are good for you. If you backstab them, then you have to show them your love, and they will come back to you, because they love you. They still love you. They still have the love for you. Okay, and I want to pull some more cards for you. Okay, the universe are telling you that you have to stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. I think you can get it, but they are telling you, stay still, or apologize to them, and they will come back to you fading. Definitely this situation goes to a wedding. This situation involves marriage, okay? And I think you still want to backstab them. Can you see that how this lady is looking at that person, that gentleman? I think you still have something in your mind for them. Yes. Okay, this is what happening for Leo in this July 2020. You have to be careful what decision you want to need. This situation leads to wedding, marriage, and this is your life partner, but you have to show that they are good for you, that they are not the thief, not robber, not a bad person for you, okay? If you want to know more about this situation, about your own situation, because this is a general reading, this is for all of you, and this reading have lots of meanings, lots of situations. I think there are lots of persons going to see over it, and that's why this is not for you, only for you particularly. So you have to see my previous videos, or please subscribe and press the bell icon so you can see my videos in future. So please like, share, subscribe this reading, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.